Now, GlobalOption began operations sometime in 2010, which means that they're a relative latecomer to the binary options explosion. Now, GlobalOption are operating out of Cyprus, and in fact, they're owned by the same company that recently acquired Easy Trader, that's Win Gaming Media. You might, in fact, when you take a look at the GlobalOption platform, be reminded of the Easy Trader platform. Although I have to say, when it comes to GlobalOption, they do go that one step further with their offering. So let's take a look at the website here. Very clean, very simple. You've got all the quotes coming from the top. Sadly, you don't have charts with which you can trade from. To me, that is a big no-no. When you're looking at your assets, it's very, very important to be able to see charts so that you can decide, based on the trend, whether you want to trade that asset or not. So that's the first flaw we've come across so far. Let's try and trade on Google. So I'm going to say the current price is 649,745, which is, it's green, which means it's positive gain. So I'm going to say that by 4 p.m. today, so that's in a few hours time, that the Google is going to actually go up. So I'm going to call on that. The payout is 75%. I'm going to place a trade of $100 and execute. Transaction performed successfully. You can see how easy it is to make a trade with GlobalOption, and of course with most other binary options brokers. It keeps trading very, very simple. So the thing I do really like about GlobalOption is that not only do they have a how to trade section, which gives you lots and lots of information about trading, which is very, very useful, but also GlobalOption do offer you market reviews. So that's in the Learning Center here. Plus they give you a tip of the day, which really helps you as well. So you can see that they've really gone above and beyond on their training section. Now let's go back to the trading platform and take a look at what they're offering. Well, they do only have their binary options platform, which is their proprietary platform. Sadly, they don't have an options builder or anything for the more advanced trader. So these are the long-term assets here, the long-term expiries. Then you've got your currencies here. So let's just see how many currencies we've got access to. Pretty much the same list as Easy Trader, actually. Commodities, same. And then let's take a look at the indices. And again, yep, you've got exactly the same as the Easy Trader asset list. So here on the side, and this is a feature which I particularly like, you can actually see your open trades. You can see how many of today's trades that you've traded have been call and how many have been put. So, for instance, if we now go back into the long-term expiries and we place a put on, let's say, Apple, and we invest $100 and execute. So now you can see, in fact, it hasn't yet registered. Interesting. I would have assumed that because I've placed a put option that now it would be 50-50. Perhaps I need to refresh the page. Let's have a look. No. Okay. Well, I don't really understand that. But you can see both of my open trades here. Here's the market weekly review, which is basic to the point, but it kind of just gives you the main assets that you're likely to trade. So customer service, you do actually have live chat, whereas with Easy Trader you don't have that option. Customer service, you've got some trading tools here as well. So this is the training section, a financial calendar, so that's your economic indicator to say what's going on fundamentally in the market, and your weekly review, which came across before. Here are the bonuses which you can get from GlobalOption. So if you deposit $500, you can get $80 bonus back. Not a massive bonus, but not shoddy either. And if you deposit $699, which seems quite a random figure, I'm sure there's some rationale behind that, then you get $300 into your trading account. Now, you can actually make a deposit with Moneybookers, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, but no PayPal at the moment. Overall, GlobalOption, very satisfactory indeed.